Scout Automobile 1, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a BMW that could completely redefine the meaning of a flagship luxury sedan. Imagine a vehicle with an incredibly long and elegant body, futuristic technology, a powerful hybrid performance system, an executive-level interior, and the unmistakable presence of a BMW designed to sit at the very top of the lineup. This is 2027 BMW 9 Series LS 700h, a futuristic vision of what BMW's ultimate luxury sedan could become. Before we get into the details, it's important to understand that the BMW 9 Series LS 700h is best treated as a speculative or concept-style vehicle rather than a confirmed production model. But that makes the idea even more interesting, because it allows us to imagine what BMW could create if it decided to go beyond the current 7 Series and build an entirely new flagship. Starting with the front, the 2027 BMW 9 Series LS 700h could feature an enormous interpretation of BMW's iconic kidney grille. The grille could be illuminated with an advanced lighting system, giving the car a spectacular appearance after dark. On both sides, extremely slim LED headlights could create a sharp and intelligent look. The lighting signature could become one of the easiest ways to recognize this futuristic BMW from a distance. The front bumper could be sculpted for improved aerodynamic performance, with large air channels integrated into the design. Cameras, radar sensor, and other advanced technology could be discreetly incorporated into the front section, helping the vehicle support sophisticated driver assistance features without compromising its clean appearance. From the side, the 9 Series LS 700h could look incredibly impressive. A stretched wheelbase would create a true flagship silhouette, while a low and flowing roofline could give the sedan a sporty Grand Tourer personality. Flush door handles, frameless windows, aerodynamic wheels, and smooth body surfaces could make the vehicle look almost like it was moving even while standing still. The proportions would be especially important. Instead of simply making a larger 7 Series, BMW could give the 9 Series its own identity with a longer hood, wider stance, stronger rear shoulders, and a more dramatic roofline. The result could be a luxury sedan designed to attract attention from every angle. At the rear, the futuristic design could continue with ultra-thin LED taillights stretching across the body. The BMW badge could sit in the center, while the lower section could feature a sculpted diffuser and aerodynamic elements. Depending on the final powertrain, the rear could either feature carefully integrated exhaust outlets or a completely clean electric-style design. Under the hood, the LS 700h name suggests that performance could be a major part of the experience. For this futuristic concept, imagine a high-output hybrid powertrain combining a powerful turbocharged engine with one or more electric motors. This setup could deliver strong traditional engine performance while adding the instant torque and smooth response of electric propulsion. An intelligent all-wheel drive system could constantly adjust power distribution between the wheels. In normal driving, the system could prioritize smoothness and efficiency, but when the driver switches into sport mode, the car could become much more aggressive, delivering sharper throttle response, heavier steering, quicker transmission reactions, and a more controlled suspension setup. The interior could be the real masterpiece. Step inside the 2027 BMW 9 Series LS 700h, and you could find an environment designed more like a luxury lounge than a traditional automobile. Premium leather, sustainable materials, finely finished metal, open-pore wood, crystal-inspired controls, and customizable ambient lighting could surround the occupants. The dashboard could feature a massive curved digital display, combining the driver information system and central infotainment interface into one seamless screen. BMW's next-generation iDrive system could provide navigation, entertainment, vehicle controls, communication, and intelligent assistance from one central interface. Artificial intelligence could also play an important role. An advanced voice assistant could allow the driver to control vehicle functions using natural conversation. Instead of remembering specific commands, drivers could simply ask the system to change the temperature, find a charging station, select a destination, or adjust the interior environment. For rear passengers, the 9 Series could offer an even more luxurious experience. The extended wheelbase could provide exceptional legroom, while executive seats could include heating, ventilation, massage functions, reclining adjustments, and individual climate controls. Rear passengers could also receive dedicated entertainment screens, wireless charging, premium audio, and personalized controls. Safety and driver assistance could be another major focus. The vehicle could potentially use advanced cameras, radar, and other sensors to monitor traffic and road conditions. Features such as intelligent parking assistance, adaptive cruise control, lane centering technology, highway driving assistance, augmented reality navigation, and over-the-air software updates could make the vehicle significantly more advanced than conventional luxury sedans. Performance could be equally impressive. A powerful hybrid system combined with all-wheel drive could potentially push acceleration into the low 4-second range or even faster, depending on the final configuration. At the same time, time. Adaptive suspension and advanced sound insulation could allow the vehicle to remain incredibly comfortable during long-distance cruising. And then there is the price. If BMW ever positioned a 9 Series above the 7 Series, with ultra-premium materials, advanced hybrid performance, executive rear seating, and cutting-edge technology, it could easily enter the six-figure luxury category. Highly customized versions could potentially cost considerably more. What makes the 2027 BMW 9 Series LS 700h fascinating is the combination of two completely different personalities. It could be a silent, comfortable executive limousine when you need relaxation, but with the press of a button, it could transform into an aggressive performance sedan capable of delivering serious acceleration and dynamic handling. This futuristic BMW would not simply be about arriving at your destination. It would be about making every moment of the journey feel special. From the dramatic exterior lighting to the intelligent cabin, from the hybrid powertrain to the executive rear seats, every part of the concept could be designed around one goal: creating an ultimate BMW flagship. So now I want to hear from you. If BMW actually built a 9 Series like this, would you choose it over the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, Porsche Panamera, or other ultra-luxury performance sedans? And what would you want to see under the hood of the LS 700h? Let us know in the comments. You enjoyed this futuristic look at the 2027 BMW 9 Series LS 700h. Make sure you subscribe to Scout Automobile 1, turn on notifications and stay connected for more futuristic cars, luxury vehicles, performance machines and automotive concepts. Thank you for watching Scout Automobile 1. Keep dreaming big, keep loving cars, and I'll see you in the next video.